I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Inshot and start a new project. You should import the clip you want to score. You're doing this first so timing matches the visuals. Once imported, scrub the timeline and trim any dead space. Make sure the video's length approximates the final cut. Next, tap the music button to see Inshot library, effects, and your sounds. This gets you to the audio workspace immediately so you can audition tracks and match mood before precise edits. Select a track, pick from Inshot library or add your sounds. You'll preview to confirm mood and key moments. Once added, drag the audio clip to the timeline and zoom the waveform. This helps you line up beats with visual cuts. Use the split tool where you need hard edits and trim excess audio. Then adjust clip volume and apply fade in or out so transitions feel natural. Make sure to enable ducking if there's dialogue, so voice stays clear. When finished, export using the resolution and bitrate that fit your destination. Watch audio meters in the preview so nothing clips. If exported audio drifts or lags, reopen the project and check for sample rate conflicts. Convert to 44.1 or 48K HZ as needed, or re-import the trimmed audio. Save a project backup before major changes. If problems persist, force quit Inshot and install updates, then re-render. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.